Property and Casualty License Exam Outline. Welcome to the quiz. What is deductible in an insurance policy? Is it A, the amount the insurer pays first? Or B, the amount the insured must pay out of pocket before the insurer pays for a covered loss? C, the maximum amount the policy will pay? Or D, the annual premium? The answer is B. Deductible is the first dollar amount the insured pays on a claim, e.g., $500 or $1,000, before insurer pays the rest. Higher deductibles lower premiums but increase out-of-pocket on claims. Insurer doesn't pay first. It's not the policy max or premium. Deductible shares risk and reduces small claims frequency. Next question. What does admitted insurer mean? Is it A, an insurer that has admitted to wrongdoing? Or B, an insurer licensed to do business in the state and subject to its regulations? C, an insurer that only writes surplus lines business? Or D, an insurer that has been admitted to a reinsurance pool? The answer is B. Admitted or authorized, insurers are licensed by the state, file rates/forms, hold reserves, and are subject to full regulation and guarantee fund protection if insolvent. Surplus lines are non-admitted. Wrongdoing or reinsurance admission unrelated. Admitted means state-approved and regulated for consumer protection. Next question. What does rate deviation refer to? Is it A, a percentage by which an insurer's filed rate may differ from the advisory rate set by a rating bureau? Or B, a deviation from standard underwriting rules? C, an error in rate calculation? Or D, a change in the policy form? The answer is A. Rating bureaus file advisory rates or loss costs. In deviation states, insurers can file to use rates above or below the bureau advisory, e.g., minus 15% deviation, to compete, while still relying on bureau data. It allows price flexibility. Not underwriting deviation. Not error. Not form change. Rate deviation is permitted variation from advisory rates. Next question. What is the primary function of a rate deviation? Is it A, a percentage by which an insurer's filed rate may differ from the bureau's advisory rate if permitted by state law? Or B, a deviation from the normal claims process? C, a change in policy forms? Or D, a statistical error in rate making? The answer is A. Rating bureaus file advisory rates/loss costs. In deviation states, insurers can file to use rates higher or lower than the bureau advisory, e.g., minus 10% deviation for good risks, to compete on price while still using bureau loss data. It allows flexibility. Not claims deviation. Not form change. Not error. Rate deviation is permitted variation from advisory/bureau rates. Next question. Which of these is a standard exclusion in a personal auto policy, PP, for liability coverage? Is it A, use of the auto for business purposes, with some exceptions? Or B, use of the auto for personal errands? C, an accident caused by another driver borrowing the car? Or D, an accident occurring more than 100 miles from home? The answer is A. PAP is personal, so excludes business use to avoid commercial exposure. No liability coverage while vehicle used in business, except farming/ranching or private passenger/pickup/van exceptions. Personal errands covered. Permissive use by borrowers usually covered. Distance irrelevant. Business use exclusion keeps PP for non-commercial personal driving. Next question. What is malicious mischief as a covered peril? Is it A, intentional damage to property caused by vandals? Or B, accidental damage caused by mischief? C, liability for mischievous acts? Or D, an exclusion for all intentional acts? The answer is A. Malicious mischief, or vandalism and malicious mischief, is a named peril in many property policies covering deliberate, intentional damage to property by vandals or others without permission, e.g., graffiti, broken windows, slashed tires. It requires intent to harm. Accidental mischief not covered. Not liability. Not full exclusion, it's covered. Malicious mischief pays for willful, destructive acts against property. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us how many you scored out of 6 in the comments, and let me know what topic I should post next. Bye.